Hi to everyone, this video will show you the SmartGeo software, a tool for interpreting hydraulic head data collected in field for groundwater characterization. For instance, if you have an aquifer and you want to understand its behavior and you want to characterize its hydraulic properties, you can decide to place a few boreholes, few wells inside your investigated area. Decide to monitoring the water level of your aquifer for a certain period of time by using probes, for instance pressure transducers, which can be easily placed inside the diameters boreholes and can monitoring the water level also for long times. Once you have collected this kind of data, you can utilize SmartGeo for interpreting this data. SmartGeo is a graphical user interface which allows you to interpret this kind of data, and you can obtain as a result a spatial distribution of the hydraulic parameters of the aquifer, such as the hydraulic conductivity and the porosity. So the first thing to do is to download the software at the website www.smarthydrosol.com, products and services. Download the latest version. You need a registration key in order to open for the first time the software. And now you can start to work. So here you can find the main menu divided into three parts. The first part is utilized for opening, saving and closing the project. The second part, the model layers, is utilized for editing the layers of the project. And this part is utilized for loading background layers such as external ship files or raster files. So it's really important with SmartGeo to work inside the same folder for the same project. So the first thing to do is to create a new folder in your documents folder called, for instance, example first, and to create the project inside this folder. So all your input and output files will be placed inside the same place, and this avoids errors and mistakes. So for instance, if you want to create a new project, we click on the new button, we select the folder previously created, and we define here, we type the name of the project, for instance project example first. Okay, we need to select the coordinate system, which has to be WGS 1984, and we need also to select the UTM zone. And we can also choose among the OpenStreetMap, the Bing Aerial and Big Hybrid as background layer. Okay. So in the map, we need to zoom and to select the area of our interest. And in this case we are in the northern part of Italy. So you can see that moving the mouse, the correspondent x and y coordinates are displayed here in the bottom right part of the window. The layers which characterize the SmartGeo project are displayed here. There are a few layers which are really important for defining the project, and we cannot delete them. And for editing these layers, we need to select the correspondent button in the top menu. So for instance, if we want to define the domain, it's necessary to select the correspondent button here in order to visualize the property table on the right. And only now we can start to define the domain layer. By clicking on this button, you can draw the polygon by left clicking with our mouse. And when we have defined and we are satisfied about this about the polygon, we double click and the polygon becomes green. But we can change the geometry also in second moment. It is only necessary to pick this tool, and we need to go close to the node, and by left clicking we can move the node wherever you want. Okay, we can also, for instance, by right clicking, decide to add a vertex and move it wherever you want. And we can also draw holes inside the polygon by clicking on this tool and drawing the correspondent polygon. In order to apply and our changes, we need to select on the apply and close button. Then we can do the same thing for all the other layers. In the case of the wells, for instance, the elements will be points, because the wells layers represents the boreholes or the wells placed in field. So if we want to define a new well, we need to pick this tool and draw the point inside our domain. If we select by left clicking the point, we can move the point, and if we select the point by right clicking, you can see that the correspondent name is selected in the property table, and we can edit the properties into this table. Thank you for attention. Bye.